Hey everyone, in this video I will explain few solutions to fix the following error. Get an app to open this Roblox player link. Let's get this fixed. First of all, you need to make sure your Windows is all up to date. So to do that, just click on Windows Update. Then check for updates manually, and if there is any updates available, make sure to download and install them. After that, open up command prompt. So to do that, go to search bar and type in there CMD and make sure to run it as administrator. Type this command in the command prompt, sfc /scan now, and then press enter. If there are any bugs on your computer, this command will repair it. After that, head over to Microsoft Store and try to download the Roblox, as Microsoft Store version is more stable. Once the download is completed, so just click on play and log into your account. If you still no luck for you, then copy this script from my video description and paste in your web browser, and after that press enter. Then click on open Roblox game client. This will help you to log into your Roblox and hopefully it should fix the issue. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.